Saturday. I'm covering my chest right over here because this is my work shirt and it has where I work, but I'm at school today because I'm doing this thing for Haunted High School, which is basically it's a fundraiser for our class where we like do Halloween stuff, but it's November 3rd and we completely missed Halloween season, but it's okay. Today I decided to film a week in my life, so you're gonna see that. Hey friends, so it is now 10:13 p.m. I just got back from work about half an hour ago, I guess. I'm making myself some tea. Yeah, but I think that's it for today. After this tea thing, I'll blow out this candle that I just lit because it smells really bad in my house right now because my dad cooked fish for dinner. I'm sorry if the kettle is like kind of loud. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just finished folding the laundry. Got back from work about half an hour ago. Today is Sunday and I pretty much staying at home. I'm probably gonna edit a video. Also today I'm gonna plan my week because it's our week off and pretty much I'm sure that I'm not doing anything, or for the most part I think I'll be studying for the SAT. We'll see, but for today it's just a chill day and then tomorrow I have therapy. I think that's it. So yay. Sup y'all, it is now Monday and it's 3:04 p.m. I'm going to therapy in about an hour and a half, and yeah, I wanted to get stuff done, like fix my table before leaving. I'm not really gonna do a lot today. I think I'll just edit and then try to study for the SAT. I'll see you guys in a bit because I gotta fix my stuff. I also have to take a picture of something I received in the mail. So it's the Firmu eyeglasses that I ordered. The video for it will be linked up here in the card. Probably, I think it's right here. I think I'll go get ready and fix my stuff and I'll see you guys in a bit. There's an intruder at the den. Barely just opened the file and now I'm leaving, so I'm just gonna leave it here and we're gonna go. I'll see you guys later. So it is now 5:33 and just got back from therapy. It was really productive. I think I'm gonna take note of what she said, which is typically what really I think I'm gonna change, and then start working and also start studying for the SAT because tomorrow morning I'm gonna take a practice test. So look who's here, Leo. He's going crazy, y'all. Finally exporting this Go Sally video I have coming this Wednesday. Let's get this bread. Good morning everyone. It is 9:37 and it's Tuesday, and today I'm gonna do a practice test for the SAT. I think I'll try to film a video too. I have a smoothie that I made last night. Banana, strawberry, and orange. I just finished my practice test, y'all. I'm taking the SAT in like a few weeks and this is my score. I don't think I'm gonna be pleased, but I'll try my best. Especially the essay, I can't figure out how to do analysis really good. Lunch with the sissies at Noel and Leo. So I just got back from the mall and it is now 4:28. We got back at around 3:40, 3:30, around that range. Now I'm gonna do my workouts because I haven't worked out. I got really bored, so I started drawing this. I kind of like it. Ta-da! We finished it. It's kind of ugly, but it has a sentimental value, and I like it. This is my version, and it sucks. Hello. So it is 3:04 and I'm about to film. I just got ready because I have to film the Firmu video, and yeah, that's gonna happen. I think that's pretty much the plan for today. Yeah, anyway, I'll go start filming and I'll see you guys in a bit. Officially finished filming. Now we're wrapping up and trying to edit this video, so yay. Wow, look at that. But there's a lot of leaves on the floor. Hello, it is now many hours after I filmed. It is, I think, around 10, and I'm watching the Bon Voyage series. I didn't vlog that much today because nothing really happened. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, it is 2:03 and I'm about to edit a video, or continue editing the video that I was editing last night, and then I think I'm gonna help my sister do her homework, and then I think I'll do yoga if I have extra time, and then I have to go to work. This day is very packed. We're almost towards the end of the week where I started vlogging, because I really enjoyed vlogging this week because I wasn't really doing anything and it was a really fun pastime. And yeah, so I'll finish editing. I'll talk to you guys later. It's raining. It's so nice. Just finished editing. It's now exporting. It got really dark real fast because it's 4 o'clock and the sun sets at that time. I have work at like 7 tonight, so I gotta get ready for that. And I also have to help my sister do her homework, so I'm gonna go do that too. Hello. So just got back from work. I had, before work I had to take shots. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a blood test, so that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna finish editing the thumbnail for the video. Anyway, I'm gonna go do this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is now 4:45 p.m. I just finished working out. Today I went to the doctor's to get blood work done, and then we ate breakfast at IHOP, which was fun. And then after that we went to the mall because my sister was gonna buy her iPhone. I don't know why, but like I guess it's just how I've been feeling. I just don't want to do anything. I'm trying to enjoy the last few days of break, and yeah, I have work in like a couple hours, so I think I'm gonna fix my table. And yeah, it's kind of messy right now.
거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비추듯이 Life, fall in love 삶은 사람의 상처받고 바람은